last video, we talked about the number type. I showed you how to declare the number type and also how to do mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In this video, we're going to talk about the string type. The string type is a more common type that you're going to see all throughout JavaScript because it deals with text. And then there's tons of text all throughout websites and web applications. So start working with strings. First, you would type out the keyword, and you would name the variable. In this case, I'm going to name it A, and then I'm going to have the equal sign. And the first thing you would do is in double quotes. You would press Shift double quote, and you would place your text in between these double quotes. So I would put hello world in there, and then that would be my string. And then if I go, because what I can do, I could open up the live server, and then I want to log it to the console. Well, first I got to use console.log. So I'm going to take this variable, log it to the console, console.log A. And then you see hello world. And then also, just like in the last video, we could also check the type of data that we're working with. So we go back to our browser and we see the type of data that we're working with right here, a string. Strings can hold an almost unlimited number of characters. For instance, if I were to place a whole bunch of different characters into this string, and then I would log into the console, you can see all the different characters logged to the console. So when we're talking about strings, we're actually referring to a string of characters. So another cool thing you can do, you can place quotes inside of strings. So let me get rid of that. So if I wanted to put John says hello, and I wanted to put this in double quotes, I can use single quotes, and then I could place this in a double quote. And then I could log that to the console, and then John says hello will be double quoted. Now, you can change this preference for single quotes or double quotes in your settings. So you can go to settings, and you can type in prettier, quote. And then right here, if you wanted to do single quotes, if true, we'll use single instead of double quotes. So if I put this here and I go back here, and then I try to put some string in double quotes, it will convert it back to single quotes. But I recommend just keeping it the way it is and leaving it as double quotes. If we go back, John says hello. So in order to put this, that into quotations, I would have to put it in single and then put the hello in doubles. And then if I go back to the console, John says hello. Another cool feature that comes with strings is that you can combine multiple strings. So say if I have John says hello, and then also I have a response, Sally says hello as well. So I put Sally says in double quotes hello as well. And then I could put that here and kind of combine them. A plus B. Well, so if you see over here, John says hello, Sally says hello as well. So if you notice here that there's no space between hello and Sally. So if I go back and I put some space like this, well, we're talking about Sally. So hello and Sally. So I can put some space in the beginning like this, and then automatically adds a space. Another thing that I can do is I can add an additional space in between by concatenating it. So basically what I'm doing is combining strings, and I'm doing something called concatenation, which combines multiple strings together to make maybe a sentence or a phrase or a statement. So you can also do that. And well, it didn't really work. Okay, so hello, Sally. Like that. There we go. So make sure you put a space in between the double quotes. And there you go. And then that's pretty much it for strings. It's the more common type that you would use. So next we're gonna get into the Boolean type, which is a more common type that you're gonna use. Can't wait to see you the next one.